Today I'm sitting in my yard, relaxing, and this is my first time using this fan. And I'm using it with my battery. So yeah, I cleaned it out. I was going to put water in it, but my hose, I have to go to the RV spot. I just had to stop and take a look at this. It is so pretty, like it's like nature's art. The green and the purple, it's just beautiful. Yeah, I drove over here and this thing is so tiny. But yeah, I want to clean out my tanks and refill my water, but they didn't have any open spots today. So it's a beautiful day, so I'm just gonna drive through and take a look for myself. They usually just charge $10 for you to dump over here and clean out your tanks. I have these spots open, so I couldn't do it today, but it did get clean, so I'm happy about that. It's not really doing anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. But it's not doing anything but making noise, but it does hold this up, this curtain. It was attached to here. I couldn't roll it up, so I cut it and rolled it. Yep, so this fan is doing enough. It's a 24-hour Geek Air, and it is battery operated. So I've been sitting out here for a few hours on a battery, and I'm getting a good breeze from the window, so it feels good. And I'm drinking my lemon water because today I wasn't feeling too good. So I made an egg. I cut up some fresh tomato, cut up some lemon, and I had some oatmeal. So I'm gonna try not to eat oatmeal, eggs, tomatoes, coconut water. Eat anything else today after I drink this, because I know yesterday I was eating the snacks and stuff like that, so that's probably what it is with my cholesterol. But this is what it is today. So today I got up early to go to Harbor Freight because they sent me like an advertisement to get this free bucket if I buy $29 worth of stuff. When I got over there, it was just a bucket and it wasn't any gifts in there. So I kind of got bamboozled. So this was close by. So I was like, I'm going to go ahead by the park. And I just stayed out here all day, chilled out and relaxed. And it turned out to be a really nice, beautiful day. And it was people already here up early. So they had a soccer game. They had people fishing. They had people walking. Open the refrigerator, let it air out because I cleaned it a few days ago. Just let it air out. And she's walking a cat. I could do this for hours and hours. Ooh, it feels so good. It didn't really. Good morning. I'm at the river. I don't feel like walking, so I'm gonna do some yoga inside the truck. I drink water in my squats. Yoga time. Yoga in this weather is so awesome. Yes, man. Apples. I do this out. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne shower. One thing about having an RV and a house, you gotta clean the RV and you gotta clean the house. Okay, so I put the shelf back, but I didn't put anything heavy on it this time. Yeah, I think the last thing was too heavy. Okay, so somebody ain't pulling their weight. I'm gonna put this peg back on that side over there. Okay, the peg is in there. Okay, so we put it back with the peg and we'll see how long it lasts.